At the moment, we are at 7.2%. Between now and 2022, for us to get to 10% forest cover, we need to plant around 1.8 billion seedlings. And this will be, in terms of area, it will be around 1.6 million hectares. That is a surmountable task that we have to do. But as a government, I want to acknowledge that as we speak, a 10% tree cover strategy has been developed, led by the Ministry of Environment, supported, of course, technically by Kenya Forest Service, and many other ministries, and coordinated at high level by the Minister of Interior. It is a government commitment to get to 10% forest cover by 2022. And therefore, this strategy is seeking to bring together private sector, development partners, other ministries, departments, and agencies of government to come together and be able to contribute and support all these initiatives. I would wish to say that the President gave a directive that every ministry, every department, and every agency has to contribute 10% of their CSR budget towards tree planting. And to that extent, Kenya Forest Service is very busy now engaging other state agencies to come together and to partner. And especially the schools that we have in this country. We must also train them and instill a culture of conservation if we have to secure our country